Bunny balloon tutorial. Leave an 8-finger width section at the end. Twist a palm width single bubble. Make a 2-finger barrier knot. Fold it over to create a single bubble of the same size. Thread the balloon neck through the center. A barrier knot tied using 2 fingers. Twist a 5-finger single bubble and secure it onto an ear tie. Using the same technique, create another 5-finger single bubble. Next, pinch off 2 single bubbles, each 3 fingers wide, to form the rabbit's legs. Wrap it around the barrier knot to secure it. To deflate the balloon, twist 2 single bubbles each measuring 5 fingers wide. Wrap the excess around the ear tie. Twist 2 single bubbles together to form rabbit ears. Release the excess air. The excess balloon material wraps around the ear tie. Draw the facial expression and you're done.